you! Look how many more cars there are for you! Let's see what's broken! Drag the scanner to check it out! You're so smart! Super! Now let's disassemble the shredder! Keep going! Perfect! Choose what you want to fix first! We have to look in the engine. Vacuum the dust and dirt! Perfect! Take apart the broken parts from the engine! Super! Awesome! Let's install the new parts in the engine! Super! That's great! Pour engine fluid by color into tanks. Keep going! That's it! The tire is torn. It needs to be patched. Pick up all the junk with pliers. Excellent! That's it! Use a glue gun and fill the holes with glue. Super duper! Put the patches in a silhouette. Octagon. You're so semicircle. Trapeze. Crescent. Parallelogram. Awesome! Connect the pump to the wheel. Magnificent! Pump it! Pump it! Keep going! That's it! The wires are broken. Let's fix it. Remove the screws to open the cover plate. You're so smart! Magnificent! That's a lot of dust! Let's vacuum it up! Awesome! Plug the wire into the right place. Blue, red, violet, green, yellow. You solved the problem! All done! Now help to assemble Shredder. Keep up the great work! Let's improve the car! go to the construction site. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Keep going! Let's go! Keep going! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Congratulations! I'm impressed! Here is your prize for your great work! Unwrap the reward, starting at the top. Wow! What an amazing sticker! Here are the fascinating stickers you collected!